Hey, what's up guys, it's Restoring Busy back with a brand new video. Actually, it's my first video, so you should go ahead and hit that sub button, hit that like button. But yeah, anyways, we're going to be restoring this pair of checkered slip-on bands that I destroyed today. So let's just get right into it.
Pull up with them sticks and hop out with them choppers. Walking out the 10 in blue Balenciagas. I caught her out, now I got blood on blue Balenciagas.
Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. It's kind of gross. There's mud everywhere on the uppers, the midsole, the bottom. So first, you got to put in your shoe tree so that it remains the shape. And then we're going to go ahead and run it under some water to get all these big clumps off before I start scrubbing. Once you got all the big clumps off, dry it off with a towel, and we'll get right into the next step. Alright, now that your shoe's all dry, you're going to want to put your tree back in so that it doesn't lose shape whenever you're cleaning. So size that and get that in there. Alright, so now I'm going to start work on the midsoles. So for that I have this instant cleaner that I'm going to use. So let's spray some of that on and get going. You can already see how much better it's getting after and before. So let's apply another layer on there. Go again. On that. Looks like we're good on the midsoles, so time to go work on the uppers. For that I have this brush, some soap and water, and I'm going to go ahead and add some of this to this. So this stuff is pretty good. Alright, so let's work on these uppers. So if you're using this, you might see that the checkers are starting to fade. So for that, after I'm going to use a black Sharpie to just color over and make them black again. But that'll be after I finish the whole shoe. This won't take in there, but that's what I'm going to want. done with the initial cleaning process, so it's time to go throw these in the laundry on cold for the low cycle. So now you're going to want to take your shoe, fill up some detergent, only about an ounce, I would say. So 1 second. I'm going to take your detergent, pour it inside the shoe. Probably don't need that much, so shit. Get it all inside. Throw your shoes into a pillowcase. Shoe tree still in there. Go ahead and throw it in the washer. Put it on. You're gonna need to extra light, cold, low. I think, yeah. All right. So this is the before and after. You can see that this one is completely trashed, and I will clean that up tonight. And this one is basically brand new. So soles are white, canvas is clean, insides are clean, bottom is clean, everything about it basically dead stock again. So before and after. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this restoration video, and make sure to hit the sub button, hit the like button, and stay tuned for next video. Peace.